Welcome to Smart Swing Traders. Please subscribe to keep up to date with our upcoming video from our channel. Union Bank of India's share price has recently witnessed a decline. The main factors behind this are 1. The third quarter business update for the financial year 2024-25 was not as expected. 2. Domestic CASA deposits witnessed a decline of 0.4% on an annual basis. 3. Supply and demand changes. 4. And global market trends etc. The reasons for the decline in Union Bank's share price could be due to competition with leading banks is also there. These factors have contributed significantly to the decline in Union Bank's share price. 10 reasons to consider buying Union Bank shares. 1. Strong profit growth. Union Bank has shown a steady growth in its net profit. In Q2 FY 2024, the bank reported a net profit of 4,750.93 crore rupees, indicating a strong operational performance. 2. Improved asset quality. The bank has significantly reduced its gross non-performing assets (GNPA) and net NPA, indicating improved asset quality and financial stability. 3. Lower valuation metrics. With a pay ratio and PB ratio, the stock is attractively priced relative to peers, offering potential for valuation gains. 4. Government support. As a public sector bank, Union Bank benefits from strong government support, ensuring stability and growth opportunities through policy measures. 5. Interest income is growing. The bank has recorded growth in net interest income (NI), a key profitability metric, driven by increased loan activity and efficient cost management. 6. Analyst recommendations. Leading financial analysts have set a price target of 140 rupees minus 160 rupees, reflecting potential upside from the current market price. 7. Dividend payments. The bank is offering attractive dividends for FY 2024, making it attractive to income-focused investors. 8. Focus on infrastructure and MSMEs. Union Bank is aggressively lending to the infrastructure and MSME sectors, which are expected to witness strong growth under India's economic expansion plans. 9. Digital transformation. The bank is investing heavily in digital banking and technology developments, improving customer experience and operational efficiency. 10. Economic setbacks. India's growing economy, increasing credit demand and favorable government policies provide a conducive environment for Union Bank's sustainable growth. Before buying shares, assess your risk tolerance. Carefully study technical and fundamental analysis. Keep market conditions and deal opportunities in mind. Union Bank of India (NSE), Union Bank, has received positive attention from analysts, indicating potential growth for investors. Analyst price targets. Trendline. Average target price of 159 rupees and 25 paise, suggesting an approximate 54% upside from the current price of 103 rupees and 36 paise. The Economic Times. Average 12-month target of 149 rupees and 50 paise, with estimates ranging from 125 rupees to 180 rupees. TradingView. Analysts have predicted a price target of 142 rupees and 78 paise, with a maximum estimate of 160 rupees and a minimum estimate of 120 rupees. Bajaj Broking. A target price of 152 rupees based on technical analysis, indicating an approximate 11% upside in the 35-day period. Views and opinions mentioned in this video or comments in the past are present under the banner of YouTube channel, Swing Trader. It's meant for educational purpose only. Investing and trading in the stock market are subject to the market risk. We are not SEBI registered analyst or NASDAQ registered analyst. Consult your financial advisor before taking decision. Swing Trader is not responsible for your profit or losses. The sole purpose of this content is for knowledge and awareness of the share market, so you agree that we are not responsible and not liable for any legal action. Hi friends, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe and share to your friends. Thanks for watching.